Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by checking paper type and printer capability. This matters because adhesive stock behaves differently than plain paper. Once confirmed, set the paper tray orientation as your printer requires. Make sure the printable side is positioned correctly, and load just 1/5 sheets to reduce feeding errors. Fan the sheets before placing them in the tray, then close gently. Adjust the paper guides so the stack is snug but not tight, and select the sticker media profile in the printer driver. Now you tune print settings for a reliable result. Pick the sticker or label media type and set print quality to high or photo mode so colors and edges render sharply. Make sure resolution is 300 dpi or higher, and disable duplex printing. Double-sided passing will cause jams and smearing. If you have an ICC profile for your sticker paper, load it. Otherwise, use color management defaults and run a single sheet test. Once satisfied, send the job but watch the first sheet closely. You finish by allowing prints to dry for 1 to 5 minutes. This prevents smearing when you peel or cut. Use a straight edge and a sharp blade on a cutter mat for precise trimming, and peel slowly to test adhesion. If you encounter a jam, stop immediately, open covers, remove the sheet gently following the printer's path, and clean rollers before trying again. If adhesion or feeding remains problematic, switch to thicker stock or adjust feed settings and run another single sheet test.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.